Most men don't realize that the way they feel today, their energy, focus, drive, and even mood, has a lot to do with one thing: hormones. And not just testosterone, but a whole network of hormones that work together to keep you strong, clear minded, and balanced. The problem is that modern life quietly chips away at that balance. Poor sleep, processed food, stress, alcohol, and plastic packaging all add up over time. You don't wake up one morning with low testosterone. It happens slowly. You start noticing small changes. You are not as sharp in the morning. Workouts feel heavier. Sleep doesn't recharge you like it used to. That spark of motivation fades faster. But here's the thing: your body knows how to fix itself. It just needs the right raw materials. That's where food comes in. Because the same way food can drain your hormones, the right foods can rebuild them naturally and quietly. So today, let's talk about 7 natural foods that help boost men's hormones. No chemicals, no shortcuts, just nutrients that your body understands and knows exactly how to use. Number 1, eggs. For years, eggs got a bad reputation because people feared cholesterol. But that same cholesterol is what your body uses to make hormones, especially testosterone. Without it, the production line slows down. Each egg gives you healthy cholesterol, vitamin D, and choline, all of which support testosterone synthesis and brain health. Vitamin D acts like a switch for testosterone. Men with low vitamin D often have lower testosterone and weaker sperm quality. Choline supports the nervous system and helps the liver process fats, which also supports hormone balance. Researchers have compared men who eat whole eggs with those who eat only egg whites. The results showed that men who ate whole eggs had higher testosterone and better muscle recovery. So do not skip the yolk. That is where most of the nutrients are. 1 or 2 eggs a day, boiled or lightly fried in olive oil, can make a real difference over time. Number 2, oily fish. Now let's talk about something that works more like a repairman inside your body. Oily fish. Think salmon, sardines, and mackerel. These are loaded with omega-3 fatty acids, the good fats that help your cells communicate properly. Omega-3s reduce inflammation, which is important because inflammation is one of the biggest killers of testosterone. It damages the Leydig cells, which are the cells in your testicles that make testosterone. By reducing inflammation, omega-3s help those cells recover and perform their job effectively. A study in the journal Andrology found that men who ate fish rich in omega-3s had higher sperm counts and stronger testosterone activity. Fish also provides protein, vitamin B12, and selenium, all of which support energy and sperm production. If you do not eat fish, you can still get omega-3s from chia or flax seeds, though they are not as efficient. Try to include oily fish 2 or 3 times a week. You will likely notice better energy, clearer focus, and even improved mood. Number 3, pumpkin seeds. These little green seeds are a quiet powerhouse for men. They are rich in zinc, one of the most important minerals for male fertility and testosterone. Zinc helps your body produce and regulate DHT, the active form of testosterone that influences muscle growth, strength, and libido. When zinc levels drop, testosterone drops too. Pumpkin seeds also contain magnesium and antioxidants that protect sperm cells from oxidative stress. You do not need a lot. Just a small handful a day is enough. You can sprinkle them on oatmeal, blend them into a smoothie, or mix them with nuts for a snack. It is one of the easiest and most natural ways to restore zinc and magnesium without supplements. Number 4, avocados. This fruit is basically nature's healthy fat package. It is loaded with monounsaturated fats, vitamin E, and potassium. Those healthy fats are essential because testosterone and other hormones are made from fat. If you eat too little healthy fat, your body literally does not have the material it needs to create hormones. Avocados also help lower cortisol, the stress hormone. And here is something many men do not realize. High cortisol directly suppresses testosterone. When stress is constant, your body shifts energy away from reproduction and toward survival. Avocados help bring that balance back by supporting adrenal function and stabilizing blood sugar. Half an avocado a day, added to a meal or smoothie, gives your body those natural fats that keep hormone production steady. Number 5, Spinach. It is not just good for muscles, it is good for the hormones that build them. Spinach is packed with magnesium, and magnesium helps free up testosterone in your blood. Your body has two types of testosterone: total and free. Total is what's stored, free is what's active. A protein called SHBG, which stands for sex hormone binding globulin, binds up testosterone and makes it unusable. Magnesium lowers SHBG levels, which means more testosterone becomes available. Spinach also helps detoxify estrogen-like chemicals from your body. These can come from plastics, processed food, or even some skincare products. So while you are supporting testosterone, you are also clearing out the blockers that hold it back. A handful of spinach daily, whether in smoothies, soups, or stir fries, helps your hormones stay in balance. Number 6, pomegranate. Pomegranate is another one that deserves attention. This fruit boosts nitric oxide levels, which improves blood flow, and better circulation helps deliver hormones and nutrients where they are needed. A small study showed that men who drank pomegranate juice for 2 weeks had a 24% rise in testosterone and reported feeling more energetic and positive. That is because pomegranate antioxidants reduce oxidative stress in the testicular tissue, protecting the cells that produce hormones. You can eat the seeds raw, blend them into juice, or mix them into yogurt. Even a few servings a week can help maintain healthy testosterone and vitality. Number 7. Finally, let's talk about walnuts. They are full of omega-3s, selenium, and vitamin E. Together, these nutrients protect your reproductive system and improve sperm structure. A UCLA study showed that men who ate around 75 grams of walnuts daily for 3 months had significantly better sperm vitality and motility. Selenium also plays a key role in testosterone production and thyroid hormone function, both important for energy and metabolism. Walnuts are easy to add to your diet. A handful each day as a snack or crushed into oatmeal is plenty. The combination of healthy fats, minerals, and antioxidants makes them one of the best foods to keep hormones strong and balanced. When you look at these 7 foods together, they do not just help on their own. They work like a system. Eggs and avocados supply the raw materials. Fish and walnuts protect the hormone-producing cells. Pumpkin seeds and spinach help testosterone stay active and unblocked. And pomegranates improve blood flow, making sure everything works properly. When you start combining these foods in your weekly diet, not perfectly but consistently, your body starts to shift. Energy levels even out, you recover faster. Sleep improves, mood lifts. That is your hormones recalibrating naturally. The key is patience. Hormones do not change overnight, but they do respond to consistency. You do not need supplements or shortcuts. You just need to feed your body what it was designed to use. A few simple swaps in your meals can quietly transform how you feel, think, and move. Because the truth is, men's hormones are not fragile. They are just responsive. When you give your body the right foods, it remembers how to take care of itself.